Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Hi, and welcome to this presentation on exploring quality and related concepts. Well, quality is a fundamental aspect of any successful organization which ensures that the products and services meet or exceed customer expectations. Here we will explore the term quality and its related concepts right from a consciousness approach to quality to providing quality assurance for a product or service to the customer. We will see what is quality consciousness and its role right from defining quality policy to managing quality through effective quality control and delivering high quality results through assurance techniques. So let's first of all see what is quality. Well, quality means different things to different people. W. Edwards Deming defined quality as meeting or exceeding customer expectations. For Joseph M. Jurin, quality is fitness for use in terms of design, conformance, availability, safety, and field use. Philip B. Crosby defines quality as conformance to requirements, whereas for Ishikawa, quality is continuous improvement. Feigenbaum defines quality as the customer's perception of what quality is and not what a company thinks it is. So, to gain a general understanding of quality, we can go through all these ideas that reflect quality: fitness for use or purpose, to do a right thing at first time, to do a right thing at the right time, find and know what consumer wants, features that meet consumer needs and give customer satisfaction, freedom from deficiencies or defects, conformance to standards, value or worthiness for money, etc. Now, let's look into some important characteristics of quality. Quality is subjective. We have our own notions and perceptions of quality, and it is determined by whoever is using the product at the time, and also what is the user's perception of quality. Quality is measurable. We should be able to measure quality without which we cannot improve it. Quality is relative. It changes over time. Our collective expectations of quality and our tolerance of issues have shifted over time. We cannot have tolerance for the internet speeds that were of quality many years back. Now, let us go further to see quality in an organizational context. First of all, let us see what is quality consciousness. Having concerns about the product, the process, and the people and their interactions. Having concerns about meeting the expectations of the customer or exceeding expectations, doing things right the first time and always. These type of concerns arise from a quality consciousness. The quality consciousness in the organization would be reflected in its quality policy, as a policy would have to be framed so that everyone in the organization understands quality in the same way, and there is an alignment between the consciousness of the people and the consciousness of the organization, people as individuals and organization as a whole. Now, once a quality policy becomes a driving guideline for the product under development, the processes being used, and the people, then it leads to a requirement of a quality management, which is achieved by enabling a quality management system. So let's go and look into all these terms in a little more detail. Well, an organization is a structured and coordinated group of individuals working together to achieve common goals and objectives. Quality consciousness is the practice of being aware of and taking actions to ensure the quality of a product or service. A quality policy statement is a short document published by the quality team or management of an organization to establish what quality means to that organization, how important the organization considers quality in its products or services. Quality management is the act of overseeing all activities and tasks needed to maintain a desired level of excellence. So, in the further slides, we will look into a little more detail about quality consciousness, a quality policy, and we will explore quality management further by looking at the four components of quality management. So let's start with quality consciousness, then we go on to visit quality policy, and lastly, we will see quality management. Coming to quality consciousness, the term quality consciousness was first used in a 1947 keynote by C.R. Schaeffer to the first convention of the American Society for Quality Control. The three A's of quality consciousness. Quality consciousness can be summed up by the three A's: awareness, alignment, and attention. Quality consciousness implies awareness of yourself and the environment around you. It also suggests that you must achieve alignment of your consciousness with the consciousness of the organization. Your attention must be selectively focused onto what you can accomplish in the present moment at best. Quality consciousness in an organization. Now, quality consciousness in an organization can be considered in terms of the three P's: process, product, and people. A productive workplace is one that fosters a culture of quality consciousness in its processes, the products it develops, and in people's interactions and communications. Fostering a quality culture. There are four elements that contribute to developing awareness, finding the alignment, and focusing attention. These are action, reflection, interaction, and education. So here we were able to see how important it is to be aware about doing all tasks with quality, with a quality consciousness, alignment between the quality objectives of the organization and the personnel, and being attentive to the specifications, to the details that are needed so that the ultimate product or service provided to the consumer is something of quality. Now we come to an understanding quality policy. So here we look at defining quality policy, communicating quality policy, and aligning with organizational goals. So quality policy is a concise statement that outlines an organization's commitment to quality and serves as a guiding principle for all its activities. Now, an effective quality policy must be communicated as well as understood by all employees, ensuring that everyone is aligned with the organization's quality-driven approach. The quality policy should be closely aligned with the organization's overall strategic objectives, providing a clear direction for achievement of the company's long-term goals. Finally, we come to quality management, and we will look at the four components of quality management. So the four components of quality management are quality planning, quality control, quality improvement, and quality assurance. So let's look into each of these four components. Quality planning. A quality plan is a document or several documents that together specify quality standards, practices, resources, specifications, and the sequence of activities relevant to a particular product, service, project, or contract. Quality control refers to the processes that ensure that products and services meet required quality standards and benchmarks. It involves the systematic inspection, testing, and verification of the various aspects of a product or service before it is delivered to the customer. Quality improvement is a systematic approach that seeks to improve the efficiency, effectiveness, and adaptability of organizational processes or systems. It aims to enhance a product's value, functionality, and performance. Finally, quality assurance aims to ensure consistent and reliable performance, customer satisfaction, and compliance with the regulatory requirements. Now, quality management principles include customer focus, leadership, and engagement of people. Let us look into customer focus. Understanding and meeting customer requirements is the cornerstone of quality management. As Philip B. Crosby put it, quality is conformance to requirements. And this is something that the entire team can look at in the same manner. Quality is conformance to requirements. So understanding and meeting customer requirements is the cornerstone of quality management. Organizations must proactively identify and address customer needs to deliver products and services that exceed their expectations. Leadership. Effective leadership is crucial for establishing a quality-driven culture within an organization and bring in more quality consciousness. Leaders must set a clear vision, empower employees, and foster a collaborative environment for continuous improvement. Engagement of people. Involving people at all levels is essential for successful quality management. By tapping into the expertise and creativity of the workforce, organizations can utilize the full potential of their human resources. Now, how to implement quality management? So, quality management can be implemented by something called a QMS, a quality management system. And what does a QMS do? Define quality objectives, develop quality processes, implement quality monitoring, and foster a quality culture. So the first thing to do is to define the quality objectives. Establish clear, measurable quality objectives that align with the organization's strategic goals and customer requirements. These objectives will serve as the foundation for the quality management system. Develop quality processes. Design and document the processes, procedures, and controls necessary to ensure consistent quality delivery. So, this is about the processes, procedures, and controls. This includes defining roles, responsibilities, and accountabilities within the organization. Next comes implement quality monitoring. Implement a comprehensive quality monitoring system to measure, analyze, and report on the performance of the quality management system. This allows for data driven decision making and continuous improvement. Foster a quality culture. Cultivate a quality driven culture by empowering and engaging employees, providing training, and promoting a mindset of continuous improvement throughout the organization. So, the organizations would be continuously striving for improvement in quality. And such continuous improvement in quality can be brought about by these 4 points: plan, do, check, and act. So, planning is about defining objectives and developing a plan to address quality related issues. To do is to implement the planned changes and monitor the results to assess the effectiveness of the improvement initiatives. To check is to evaluate the outcomes of the implemented changes, analyzing data and feedback to determine the impact on quality performance, and finally act. Based on the evaluation, take the necessary actions to standardize the successful improvements and take further steps to enhance quality. Thank you.
Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.